What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually installing the side skirts that I got back from Ricky. Shout out to him for painting mine and Dallas's. Dallas's car is actually painted now. I got my Vertex skirts painted and my Vertex front bumper painted, so it's pretty lit. I'll show you guys right now. So I got the front bumper right here. Oh yeah. Shout out to Dallas too for actually repairing like all the little cracks and little things, and he put like new tabs on it. So remember the flimsy part, the flimsy piece, I think it was on this one or this one. Yeah, I think it's actually, you could tell right here. Yeah, it's right there. You see, it's all repaired. And Dallas also reinforced this side because the last time this shit was flapping, fucking rip off, take flight. Then he also covered it, but there are imperfections because I didn't like sand it down. Dallas basically sanded it down for me and everything to get ready for Ricky to paint it. But I mean, I might put my license plate right here anyways so I don't get pulled over, but it's like a little bit rough. But it came out fucking ice, glossy, glass. I don't even know what I'm saying. But here, I'll show you the side skirts. Bam! The skirts came out nice too. Glass finish too. It's a little bit foggy, but Ricky had some leftover paint, so he helped me out. But it's pretty clean. Yeah, I took out the bay. I might get a new fender this time, like on the real, and actually ask Ricky if he could paint it for me because this fender is donezo. Destroy. So I got the first side skirt on, and dude, it looks tits. It's crazy how like side skirts can actually like make your car look 10 times better, but it's literally on the floor, and that's no good. But I had to take off the mud flap they had in the back. So if you guys do have side skirts, I recommend you taking this off because it's a little bit thicker and it hangs out right here. So there's like basically 3 screws. There's one, there's 2 more. There's one right here, and then there's one where that green spot is, and there's one right underneath. But yeah, I took it all off, and they actually have a hole for me, so I'm gonna screw that in. And then the reason why I like these Vertex skirts is that they actually, it's pretty sick because they have 3 holes for this little thing. I don't even know what it's called, but it holds it in. See, holds it in, and then that's pretty tight how it has 3 holes and it holds it, the actual skirt in. I'm actually gonna leave these on, and then I'm gonna drill a hole maybe right here and put a screw right there so it can actually have some more, you know, protection so it don't fly. But if it tries flying, it'll probably just break in half. The rear has 2. It has 2, that one too. Yeah, but it's like almost complete. I just need to put the bumper on, but look at that. This shit's tits. So basically you gotta take off these 3 screws. So there's one at the end right here, and then there's one right there, and then there's one right on the bottom. But my car's kind of low, so I had to use this. This shit is slanted, so it's super easy. And you rip this bitch off. Oh shit, I guess there's 4. What the fuck? These off, that kind of bitch to take off. You can take it off with a flat head on or something. And then there's basically 2 like little poppy things. And same for this side, it's just 2 though. Take that off. And then alright. So then you wanna, you gotta take that shit off. You kinda wanna make sure this clears that part. Oh shit! A whole bunch of fucking dirt came out. so it's on, but like the thing is you gotta push it super hard to fill it in. Here, come over here, bro. Alright, so push this in right here. Push it right from right here. I'm gonna push it. Push. There you go. Alright, there you go. There you go. That's it. That's basically how you put on the skirt. Oh shit. Oh, bitch. Rip. That's fine. And same thing. Oh, this one's so not lined up.
Needs to go forward more.
But that, yeah. So this one's just cut out like a little bit worse. Honestly, you could just take this off. Hold the camera. You just slide it off. And you don't have to use all of them. Damn, that shit is nice. Glass, bro. This shit is so nice. Bro, I want to put the Vertex bumper on, but I gotta take off the crash bar and everything.
Drive a lot?
Yeah, you got like a couple feet. Oh! Just fucking straight stomped on it. Bro, I think Dude, this shit looks fresh. It's super clean. I'm so happy how it is. But I don't know if I could drive like that. But if I could stop being a bitch. But dude, it's nuts. It actually looks super nice. And now we gotta put on the Vertex front just to see how it looks. But this is how it looks. Just the skirts. Glass, bro. Fresh bumper, bro. Damn, that shit is so clean. She's gonna look nuts. Oh shit, this is heavy. So we just took off the stock bumper. So you have to take off the crash bar in order to put on the Vertex bumper because it doesn't fit and the crash bar is way too big. So there's basically, you just use a 12 and there's like 3 of these bolts right here on each side, so 6. Bitch. Yeah, these are so hard to grab that side. Look at this thing. Oh shit, bro. That shit's not that low. I think I could drive like that.
Besides the side skirts.
Yeah. So I'm gonna drill out a hole because this hole's trash. Dallas actually refiberglassed it because whoever made a hole right here was fucking really bad at it. And look at that, tragic. Fucking I'm so fucking clumsy. Make it bigger. The hole's perfect for the zip tie. I usually hold my my bumpers and skirts by zip ties anyways. Actually not skirts, just my bumpers. What? I got it. You got it? Yeah, I got it. Chill. Alright. Let's see if this real fits. Damn, this shit is so faded, bro. So much scratch the headlights. Damn, Dallas did a good job, bro. Slides right in. Oh, not bad. Just this damn side's going so that goes in. So she's on. So what we basically did was drill a hole right here. So the previous owner of this bumper, yeah, it doesn't line up to right here because I guess the previous owner had was it wide body? Yeah. So then that's why he also cut this piece out, like I showed you guys on the other videos. But we just ghettoed it like that to this bracket I always did on my stock bumper, and then drilled a hole right there. And we also drilled. I'll try to zoom in. I can't really zoom in, but I also drilled a hole right here where Dallas made my own tab, and then into the metal of the fender, and then it fit right through because I couldn't fit it in here because the bumper did not reach out that long, and I did it to the other side. But yeah, and then I put 2 zip ties here, 2 zip ties here, and a screw right there. But yeah, dude, it looks sweet. Put down the hood, Travis. Damn, that shit's pretty fire. I just wish my fog lights would fit because you would have to sand it to actually get it in. Damn, boy. Fire. I just, dude, that really bothers me, bro. Shine it? Dude, look how big of a gap right here. It just looks weird, doesn't it?
A little bit. Yeah, you're ready for toilet.
But I also did this side too. And yeah, you can see that this side doesn't fit either. See? That looks so bad. But I mean, shit, it's a free bumper. Shout out to Parker again. But yeah, zip tie right there, and then another zip tie right there. But yeah, so everything is done. I'm good to go. Travis was trying to drive up here, but I couldn't make it over this little crack because of side skirts. But I honestly think I'm gonna run the side skirts, or keep the side skirts in the car when I go to Toyota Fest and then put them out. I don't know, maybe drive it, skin down, like, since it's like kind of new. So, but dude, front bumper looking fresh. I just need to wash the car. I'll show you guys in the morning or something. But yeah, dude, it looks freaking clean. So that'll probably be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I wanted to show you guys how it actually looked all together, and it looks pretty sweet. I'm actually really satisfied. The only downfall is it's kind of too low for me to drive it, but we'll see how it goes. But anyways, guys, if you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We actually just hit 2,400 subscribers. Gang. I really want to thank you guys all for supporting us, and yeah, just I'm gonna keep it up with all the content. And I still gotta show you guys Dallas's car, because he actually, if you guys saw the last video, he put his whole kit together. Everything is all good, and he just got it painted. So if you guys follow us on Instagram, you guys probably have seen it already, but you guys gotta see it like in person. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Deuces.